Steve here. It's been a while since I've done a review on anything. Anyway, this I just couldn't help but to do another review on this little multimeter I bought from Amazon. Really like a plain Jane box here, nothing going on. I have taken parts out of the box and just to show you what the meter looks like here. It comes with its own little instruction booklet and a few other things. This multimeter is really kind of tiny. It's approximately that long. Not much height, I guess you'd say, and about an inch or so deep. Really, it's quite functional. The most amazing thing about this meter is the price, but we'll get into that in a minute. It has your regular DC voltage on this side, little AC voltage, amps. Down here is your ohms, to check your ohms, and then there's a continuity test right here. Also has a backlight, really cool feature. Like I said, the most amazing thing about this is the price. Now, I would have liked the leads to maybe be a little longer. They're about, let me measure here, 28 inches long. Plug right into the meter. And like I said, continuity test. You can hear that. Cool thing to have when you're checking for open circuits. Always leave mine in off position, saves your battery. Like I said, leads could be a little longer, but they're really sufficient. Also comes with a nice handy little rubber-like case in case you drop it. Kind of insulates it. Over on the back here, it has a, if I can get it open, nice little stand, so it sits up. And like I said, the instruction booklet and all is right with it, but the reason I'm doing this review is I've used this meter a few times. I do like it. There's a lot of features I haven't tried or even used, the transistor checker, other items. But like I said, the most amazing thing about this is the price. This little meter I bought on Amazon, and for all its functions, now I bought very inexpensive meters before. They do the job, but you feel like you got something really cheap to work with and you're not really sure of it. This thing is building my confidence every time I use it. The more I use it, the better I like it. Anyway, $7.95 on Amazon. I mean, for an inexpensive meter, I have never found something of this quality with this many functions for the price. So that's why I'm doing the review. I like the meter, I like the quality of it, I like the features of it, and most of all, the price is really reasonable. So I'll put a link to this on yardzoo.us, and go in and read some of the reviews on this little meter and see what you think. It's an XL. I don't know if the camera will focus in on that. And check it out for yourself and see if you are in the need for a spare meter if you don't have one already that you can maybe throw in your glove box and can depend on. Steve from Arizona. Bye for now.